Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand HTML ordered list. HTML element OL is used to define an ordered list with each element defined using li tag. By default, each item on the list is marked with numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here is an example that defines an ordered list. So this is the beginning tag for the whole list and this is the ending tag, and this is an item in the list which starts with the li tag, beginning tag, and this is the ending tag for the list, and this becomes the content of the list. So this is how we define a ordered list. By default, each item on the list is marked with numbers, as I already mentioned. However, we have other different numbering styles that we can apply to a ordered list. So the first one is this type equals to 1, which is the default one. If you want to change the default style, then we have to add this attribute to our ordered list, the beginning tag. So this is the beginning tag where we can use this type attribute and we can assign some value. And what values should we assign? So here are the different types of numbering styles that we can apply. The first one, type equals to 1, which is the default for numbering from 1 to and so on. And this is type equals to I, which is for uppercase Roman numbers, and type equals to small I, which is for lowercase Roman numbers, and type equals to capital A is for uppercase alphabets, and type equals to A is for lowercase alphabets. So this is how we can manipulate the numbering styles that we can have it on a ordered list. We have an example here. This is a sample HTML document that included all the different numbering styles that can be applied on a ordered list. This is style 1, style 2 and the other styles here. And we also have other types of lists in HTML, so which can be referred by accessing this particular link for all the different HTML lists that we have. And overall, we need to choose a HTML ordered list when we want to group a list of items, and we need to number the items that we have on the list. So now let's open this HTML document that we have included in this example and see how the content will look on a browser. This is the source code that we just gone through, where we have included different numbering styles. Let me open this in a browser. When you open this HTML document on a browser, so this is how all the different types of lists displayed here. The first one is the numbering style is numbers, where we have this kind of numbering on this ordered list. And when we choose type equals to capital I, this is how the numbering will takes place. And the next one is type equals to small I, and this is how the numbering will be on the list items. And type equals to A, the numbering will start from capital A, capital B, C and so on. And if we choose type equals to A, then this is how the numbering will applied for the list of items that we have on a ordered list. So overall, we have to choose HTML ordered list when we want to group a list of items, and if you want to number them in a particular style. And these are the different styles that we can apply to the list. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.